Nag-iba din ba ang relationship mo with your parents after PBB? Nag-iba ba? Ano nangyari?
Ano po, now I'm able to hug them.
Ah,
Now I'm able to receive po love from them. Because my forgiveness po is coming from a place po of me being spiritual, healthy po. Parang
really?
I ask God every time to be able to have that heart to forgive them. And nabigay po niya po yun, yung peacefulness po sa loob ng bahay na nahanap ko po sa loob ng bahay, yung peacefulness na yun na yes, hindi perfecto yung magulang ko and mahal ko pa rin po sila kahit na ganun po yung nagawa nila sa akin, sa amin. So yung peacefulness po, dala-dala ko po ngayon. So kung may nagbago man po, it got better po.
Really? Oh, that's very nice to hear. Huh?